Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's check out the cards. I'm the only me I've got, so I'm going to speak lovingly to myself from sunup to sunup. That means extra compliments hold the critical anxiety spirals. You look better than average. You sure can make a lemon square. Wow, you are so good at compliments. Something's so right about that. Keep your word. All my relationships are harmonious. When we create harmony in our minds and hearts, we will find it in our lives. The inner creates the outer, always. Imagine the life you really want to live. Observe your surroundings through the new possibilities. Shape your consciousness to include your dreams. 15. Smile. Turn your frown upside down. Smiling lifts your mood and lowers your stress. Turn that frown upside down and smile at everyone you see today. How did smiling make you feel? In today's quotes, fun is yours to define. It can be challenging to move forward when you aren't sure what the outcome will be. Stay present with whatever is in front of you now. Curiosity opens doors, assuming and judging closes them. Oh, yes. Believe today will be a good day, and it might just prove you right. Kindness begins with the understanding that we all struggle. The fastest way to grow and learn is to ask the deeper questions about why you're attracting certain things. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.